Hello guys, today is wash day. Yes, it's been 2 weeks since I washed my hair. Haven't washed my hair since I colored it, so she needs some love. She needs some love. She's dry and my scalp is very itchy, and yeah, she needs some love. So what I'm going to do, I am going to clarify my hair. And I already picked out my shampoo, so I'm going to clarify. Use this one time, my Brilliant, and I'm going to use this new shampoo by Aveda, Scalp Resolution Balancing Shampoo here. It's supposed to be good for your scalp, and it's supposed to be colored safe too as well. So I want to try this one to see how it's going to work. So anyway, so I have my cleansing products there, so hopefully that will help remove the silicones and buildup that I have from my hair. But now I want to find a deep conditioner, and I want to find something that's going to, I guess, help with repair. Since I colored my hair, I use chemicals, so we gotta make sure we just treat the hair and keep it nice and healthy with a good repairing deep conditioner. So let's see what we can find. Alright, so I have my basket here. These are all my deep conditioners that I usually keep in here. So what I'm going to, let's see what we can find. I usually go in with my Shea Moisture after I color my hair, but I want to use something else. So let's see. If I don't find anything, I'll maybe use this. I'll put this right here. So what else? We have moisture. This is the Ultra Beauty one. I don't want to use that one. And I have here curls. Let me put my glasses on quick. The curls. I haven't used this in a while. Curls Blueberry. Now this one says repair damaged. It's supposed to help with repairing damaged hair too as well. This is strengthening deep conditioner. This is the curls. Be that. Let's see what else I have. What's that one? What's this here? This is, no, I don't want to use that. Let's see what else. This is my Ultra Beauty. Now this one right here, it says for damage or color treated hair. Yeah, the Adwoa Beauty. I got this during the Black Friday sale. I don't think I used this one. Let's see. No, I didn't use this one here. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna use this one. That'd be something different. Yes, I'm gonna use this one here. Yeah, so okay, let's put these back. And so we have our wash day products here. I'm gonna wash one time with this, one time with this, and then I'm going in with my deep conditioner, Ultra Beauty. So my wash day products. Alrighty guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Just popping on because I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the products that I use for my wash day. I already told you that my hair needed some love. She was dry, she had tons of silicones, and I had that itchiness going on. So let's go ahead and get into the products that I did use. So I had the new this new Aveda shampoo that I wanted to try, and I said, well, since my scalp is itchy, it's been 2 weeks, so that's why my scalp was itchy, because otherwise I usually don't have any kind of scalp issues, like when it comes to itchiness or dandruff or anything. I do not have that. But I wanted to go in with this shampoo because I had that itchy scalp because it was 2 weeks, and I went in with the Aveda Scalp Solution Balancing Shampoo. Now this shampoo right here, it is a gentle clarifying shampoo. It is silicone, paraben, sulfate free, and all that goodness, and it is color safe. So that's why I really bought this one here, because it was a clarifying shampoo and it was color safe. So I was like, let me go ahead and try this one here. So this shampoo, you saw it was very runny, just very loose, very runny. And it did lather up nicely, not too much, but enough. And I was able to get in and scrub my scalp really good. It felt nice and clean. it felt that it was leaving my hair nice and moisturized. It did say that it's supposed to leave the scalp moisturized, so that's what it did say. And I felt that it did. It just felt nice on my scalp, nice and moisturizing, easy to get my fingers up there. And it did not strip my hair, so the hair just felt clean. Just felt clean. I did have just a few little tangles, but nothing to complain about. So other than that, you know, your first wash, you're gonna have that. That's your first wash. So your hair is still kind of tangly. Other than that, I felt it was a good shampoo. Good shampoo. I didn't like the smell of it. It just had like a weird kind of smell. But other than that, I will use it again, especially if I have like a itchy scalp or something like that. So yeah, so that's what this shampoo was. So I only use this one time. I'm thinking that if you use this 2 times, you may get that squeaky feel, because when I went to rinse the shampoo out, on this side right here, like up in here somewhere, I went to rinse the shampoo out, and I felt like it was like squeaky, and I was like, wow. I said that cleansed my hair just that quick, but the rest of my hair did not feel squeaky. It was like along in here. So I was like, okay. So I just rinsed it out, and then I just went in with my next shampoo. So the next shampoo here, it is on my favorite list, my favorite Aveda list, so check that list out. And it is my Brilliant shampoo. Love, love, love. It cleanse my hair, remove whatever it needs to remove. It leaves my hair nice and soft, nice and shiny, nice and moisturized, but it cleanses really nicely without stripping my hair. So that's why I love to use this one here. Been through multiple jars of this, so that's my favorite. So after a good cleanse, got my hair all nice and, you know, everything out of it, I went in with a mask, and I wanted to go in with this new mask here just to see how it will work. And it is the Aveda Blue Tansy Restorative Mask. It's for damaged hair and color treated hair. This is the travel size, a small one. I'm thinking that if your hair is longer than mine, you may be able to get maybe about 1 or 2 usage out of this or so, but my hair is not that long, about right here. And I feel that I'm probably had maybe about 2 more usage out of this deep conditioner. But when I was applying it in the shower, this is a thick deep conditioner, very thick, very thick. And I would just, like, when I dipped my fingers in, it was like I was holding it up like this, just dropping it on my hand. But it's very thick, so you have to make sure you emulsify it in your hand really good, and then apply it to the hair and rub it in. And then if you need that splash of water to help give it that nice slip, just go ahead and do that. But I felt that it just sunk in my hair as I was applying it. I just kept applying it, I said, that's enough, let's stop there. But I had enough on, and I just put my shower cap on. I did not apply my heat cap this time. So I'll probably do that next time I use this deep conditioner. But I felt I still got the benefits of leaving it on 10 minutes without the heat cap. And I like the way it rinsed out. It rinsed out nicely. I had curl definition, the shine. I had shine, and I did not have any frizz when I went to rinse the deep conditioner out. It felt soft. It felt nice and moisturizing. Like I said, it's supposed to be strengthening. Let's see. Now here on the website, it does say, let's see, what is it? It says restorative treatment mask that detoxes, reduces breakage, and strengthens hair suffering from color, thermal heat, or environmental damage. It's for fine, medium, and thick textures. And for key benefits, it strengthens damaged hair, enhances shine, and reduces frizz, improve curl definition. And let's see for the ingredients. This is a clay mask. I was wondering why it was, yeah, really thick. This is a clay mask, and I showed you that. Yeah, clay mask. Now this mask here, it was nice and smooth. I didn't have any like little beads or anything in there. Just a nice smooth mask. That's the way mine felt. So I did like that. And then this clay mask, it says remove impurities and oils from the scalp and imparts shine. And then it does have hydrolyzed quinoa, and quinoa helps with promoting healthy hair growth, and it's supposed to help with breakage and transform dull, lifeless hair like that. And it does have mango butter to help with the the softness of your hair, and to also help with breakage and split ends. So good ingredient, good things in this deep conditioner. I felt that it did do a nice job. I felt the results when once I rinsed my hair out. My hair looked nice and healthy. That's the way I feel. So can't wait to try this again. Like I said, I probably have about 2 more usage out of this, and then by the time I get to the end of this bottle, I'll decide if I want to repurchase it. But right now I feel that this is a good one. I may have to put this on my list. We'll see. But like that one. And it did say it's good, safe for color treated hair too. So that was my wash day. Wonderful wash day. Now, as you guys know, I always go in with a leave-in conditioner before leaving out the shower. And this time I did not go in with my favorite my favorite leave-in. And you already know my favorite leave-in. The kinky curly leave-in leave-in conditioner. I love that one, but I did not use that one this time. I went in with something different, something lighter, and I would say let me try something lighter. And then it's summertime too. I was saying let me just try something lighter. So I went in with the Aveda color control leave-in conditioner. This is a watery consistency, and I kept spraying and kept spraying. I could have used this whole bottle. I kept spraying and spraying, but it was moisturizing. I was able to detangle my hair with it. It left a nice shine. It left my hair soft. I like this, and the smell smells just like cherries. This line right here, if you see this color bottle, it just smells just like cherries. Love the smell of this here. It is like a heat protector too. So if you sit under the dryer or blow dry your hair, it's supposed to help protect your hair against the heat. And it also is supposed to help your protect your hair against UV ray when you're outside. So yes, definitely love this one. I probably just had about a little bit more left out of this one here. So I'm gonna have to get another bottle of this one. I do like this one here. But other than that, I had a great wash day. I feel that the benefits of this wash day, I feel that my hair looks more healthier this go round. Just looks more healthier. This is day 7 here. Like I said, the video is going to be coming up after this one to see what I did, how I got these results right here for this wash and go. But yes, anyway guys, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the products, and hopefully you found some tips and tricks, and if there's anything in there you're interested in, like I said, double check the ingredients, go on the website, read about it before you dodge in to get any of these products, and see if it's something for you that you're interested in. But make sure you get a sale, because everything that I got here, I did get it on sale. Put it that way, I got it on sale. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. Hopefully it was helpful. and I will see you in my next one.